Meet the Encore ESP, an espresso-optimized all-purpose grinder for the entry-level coffee lover. Featuring the simplicity of use of our classic Encore, combined with new innovative technology providing precision grinding exactly where you need it. The Encore ESP features a minimalistic design with 40 steps of grind adjustment, a simple on-off switch, and a purge button. But the real magic lies beneath its modernized facade. We're pleased to introduce our patent-pending dual-range metal adjustment system, which provides more resolution in the espresso range than similar entry-level all-purpose grinders. Thanks to this mechanical ingenuity, the Encore ESP goes beyond all other grinders in its class. To ensure consistency from shot to shot, the adjustment system has been built with durable machined metal and is factory calibrated for most home espresso machines using standard portafilter baskets. All it takes to dial an espresso is a simple twist of the hopper. Every setting from 1 to 20 is fine-tuned with high-resolution microsteps, meaning more range for you to dial in your perfectly extracted shots of espresso. When you're ready to switch up your brewing methods, use any of the macro steps from 21 to 40 that provide you with the perfect range for anything from a pour-over to French press. Every click here is a large macro step that produces excellent filter coffee when you need it. All of this precision is thanks to the Encore ESP's M2 steel burr, which allows for faster grind speeds and excellent consistency. As part of Baratza's integral right-to-repair component, the Encore ESP is now equipped with a quick-release cone burr. This differs from other conical burr grinders as a simple twist of the knob allows you to easily remove your bottom burr for cleaning. So for brewers who love to experiment with various coffees, easily clean out your grind chamber after by removing the burr with a clockwise twist. The Encore ESP includes both the classic full-size grounds bin and the new anti-static dosing cup with a 54 to 58mm adapter. Grind into the dosing cup, place your portafilter on top, apply a light shake and flip to achieve easily distributed grounds, ready to tamp. The original filter-focused Encore and the espresso-optimized Encore ESP represent the perfect entry into specialty coffee. For added peace of mind, every grinder is backed by a manufacturer warranty and a world-class team of support and service specialists here at Baratza. From bean to cup, make all of your coffees more delicious with the Encore ESP.